Let's talk about the easiest passive income to start after 60. Because yes, you can absolutely earn $3,000 a week, sometimes even while you sleep. And before you think, is that even possible for someone my age? I want you to stay with me because what I'm about to share with you is exactly what fell into my lap when I needed it the most, and it changed everything for me. In a few minutes, I'm going to share with you the moment everything clicked for me, and it can click for you too. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I spent decades helping people heal and build healthier lives. But behind the scenes, I was searching for the thing that would finally give me the freedom I was looking for. I wanted income that didn't require my energy. And I know you know what that means. Because after 60, let's be honest, we want our energy for the things that matter the most to us, whether that's family, travel, creativity, quiet mornings, and peace of mind. I wanted income that didn't depend on a boss, a schedule, or my physical labor. I wanted something that could grow even when I wasn't working. And I didn't find it through investing, selling products, or chasing people. It's something simpler, something scalable, and something any beginner can learn. In just a moment, I'm going to share with you how this became passive and how it allowed me to wake up with income in my account. But first, let me explain where everything started. There was a moment when I believed passive income was just for other people. It was for younger people, techie people, business people. It wasn't for someone like myself, over 60, who didn't want to spend all day at a computer. And then one morning when I woke up, something very surprising happened. Money had landed in my account. $900 to be exact, while I was sleeping. I was shocked. I remember staring at my phone thinking, is this real? People actually wake up to money in their accounts? And here's the best part. It wasn't from stocks. It wasn't from Amazon. It wasn't a refund that I got. It wasn't from selling to friends. It was from digital marketing, specifically a simple program that teaches you how to learn and earn online. And in a moment, I'll teach you exactly how this becomes passive. But first, let's talk about why this works so well for beginners. Ready to learn more right now? Grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it walks you through step by step. You don't need physical products. You don't need shipping. You don't need inventory. You don't need to host parties or talk to strangers. Digital marketing is simple. You're sharing a digital education program that teaches people what they're already looking for, how to earn income online. And it walks them through step by step, learning and earning as they go. How simple is that? And I love this because there's a global demand. People can access it instantly. And once it's set up, it runs in the background 24/7. I always tell people it's not magic. It's simply matching a high demand product with the right people and letting the system do the heavy lifting. And no, you don't have to be techie at all. If I can do this at 60 plus, anybody can. This is the part where the passive income happens. Here's the part that still amazes me. The system follows up automatically. The system educates people automatically. The system does the explaining for you automatically. You don't chase anyone. You don't pressure anyone. You don't have to feel like a sleazy salesperson. You simply share your journey, your story, and your experience. That's when the income becomes passive. And that does feel very magical. That's when you start to have sales while you're at brunch, while you're on vacation, while you're at the pool, when you're having breakfast, when you're enjoying time with friends. I always tell my community, your business works even when you rest. But what makes this so easy for beginners, especially beginners over 50, 60, and even 70, is even more powerful. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning online. You don't do this alone. You have community and mentorship available to you. When I first started, I had no clue what I was doing. I didn't even know what digital marketing was. That's when everything clicked. I didn't feel alone. I didn't feel confused. I didn't feel like I had to figure out everything myself. This is why I developed my Digital Success Club, to give people a safe place to learn and grow and be consistent and learn authenticity. In my Digital Success Club, people get many tools around mindset, style, confidence, visibility, community, accountability, and support. You're not starting from zero, you're starting with a roadmap. Why this works at any age. This business doesn't care how old you are. This business doesn't care how many degrees you have. It doesn't care if you've ever used social media for business. What matters is your willingness to learn, to show up, and to take small steps consistently. Some people learn fast and others learn slow, but everyone starts earning as they learn. And yes, $3,000 weeks are absolutely possible. It's not guaranteed, but neither is a job. What is guaranteed is that it's the simplest online business you'll ever find and one of the most supportive. I'd love to hear from you. What would additional passive income do for you right now? More travel, more time with family, more freedom to just do whatever you want to do? Comment below. I read every single post. I would love to hear what you want the passive income for. So if you've been waiting for a sign that this is the time to start, this is it. You're not too late, you're not too old, and you're absolutely capable of earning passive income from 50, 60, 70, and beyond. Grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide that shows you how this works step by step. And if you want support from community, confidence as you grow, join us in my Digital Success Club. That link is down below as well. Remember, it's never too late to become the woman you always wanted to be, and it's never too soon to start living free. Now that you know the easiest passive income to start after 60, you might want to learn the easiest 1K per day business you'll ever start. It all starts with watching the next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's on the next video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.